bones here. Now, did that just
It
crack?
already went.
It just cracked. Okay, but there's gonna be more. Right. So, what we're doing here, this is her SI joint, and this is her L5, and that's her L4. You can feel all those too. And some people have a lot of pain in those muscle bellies there, so like the paravertebral muscles there. So we're gonna adjust up here. So sometimes I adjust down here, but we're gonna adjust up here because it helps. Let's just see if it goes actually. So that was a lot. So that was perfect. Voila. So there's methods of adjusting there. Okay.